Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to check recently deleted apps on Android phone. It's very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to video. Go to Play Store, click on your profile icon in top right corner. Click on Manage Apps and Device. Now click on Manage in top. These apps are present in mobile. Which are present in mobile. Click on this installed. Now click on not installed. All these are recently deleted apps. If you use family mobile, you must delete it from here. No one knows which apps you recently used. Select the apps and delete it. Click on this top corner. Now click on remove. In this way, you can see recently deleted apps and remove them. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.